Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we are going to install recessed can light bulbs in an angled ceiling. Let's take a look. Step 1, make sure your light switch is in the off position and your bulb is off, not illuminated. Alright YouTubers, depending on the height of your ceiling and where these actual bulbs are will depend on your height of ladder. And in our case, we've got an 8-footer. Here we go. Be careful as you climb the ladder. Last thing you want to do is fall off your ladder while you are doing this project. That would not be cool. And as you can see, these inner portions here, they can rotate, as you can see. So it might be a little tough if you're doing it with one hand. You may have to just jolt it real quick like that and carefully remove the bulb. Be careful, don't drop this. Oh my goodness, this would shatter everywhere. Down off the ladder now, and this is the old bulb, and as you can see here, 65 watts. And went to our local Ace Hardware, 65 watt equivalent bulb, which is 10.5 watt output and 650 lumens, and we purchased the soft white option. Estimated energy cost $1.26 per year, and that is based off of an average of 3 hours per day 7 days a week. So again, a huge savings down to 10.5 watt output as opposed to 65 watts. So in most cases, what a lot of people do when they remove the bulb, they'll actually take one of the bulbs to their local Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot, or Menards just to make sure they are matching it properly and purchasing the correct bulb. When it comes time to remove the bulb from the box or package, I recommend non-powdered nitro rubber gloves, and that's just to alleviate any finger oils or anything getting on the actual bulb itself. LED, same size, same height, everything. What we'll do now, climb the ladder and install it. Back up on the ladder. You'll notice that this is at an angle. Be very careful. Insert it properly, align it properly, and slowly twist it. Get a good feel for the actual thread. The last thing you want to do is bind it up or cross thread it. I'm doing this with one hand, holding the camera in the other. I recommend doing this with both hands. Don't over tighten it. What we'll do now, hop down the ladder, reposition the ladder, and remove the old incandescent bulb there and install the new LED bulb. Reposition the ladder, climb the ladder, and real quick, as you can see here, a description of this, or most common place you will see these actual can light options installed, is at an angled ceiling, as ours is. So again, just carefully untwist the bulb, don't drop it. And with the bulb removed, again, you can twist it, turn it, adjust it. Alright YouTubers, back at the light switch. Let's go ahead and turn on the switch. And both brand new LED bulbs light up and look good. Again, energy savings, which is awesome. Hey, hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.